Hi, I'm Martin Liebel, Senior Director of Product Management for Endpoint ICs at Impinj. And I'm here today to talk about how Gen2X improves RAIN RFID system readability. Gen2X and Impinj M800 endpoint ICs advance tag sensitivity, enabling smaller tags on more items. But great readability in RAIN RFID systems is a two-way street. In order to unlock everything the Impinj M800 endpoint IC makes possible, both sides of the link have to perform. Generally speaking, a reader sends a signal to the tag to power it up and deliver commands. That's what we call the forward link. That's where tag sensitivity lives. Then there is the tag reply. So the response signal needs to travel all the way back to the reader, and the reader needs to make sense of it. The further away the tag is, the weaker its reply. RAIN advancements like Gen2X Power Boost allow readers to deliver more energy to the tags, enabling tags to be activated at a greater distance. Increased sensitivity enables smaller and smaller tags, but in turn, those small tags produce disproportionately weaker replies. Finally, many use cases require faster reader modes, like dock doors, conveyor belts, or loss prevention gates. But faster modes are harder to decode, demanding considerably more receive sensitivity. While these advancements improve read range and enable more and more items to be tagged, they also make the reverse link increasingly critical. Gen2X, a standards-compatible enhancement to Gen2, incorporates several improvements to reverse link. For example, a more robust modulation scheme which makes the signal easier to decode and which makes the reply significantly more resistant to noise. In other words, Gen2X improves readability on both sides of the link. Every tag based on Impinj M800 endpoint ICs supports Gen2X, and Gen2X-capable readers and solutions are broadly available today. Combining M800 forward link performance with the improvements of Gen2X on both sides of the link, you get something that neither one can deliver alone. System-level readability that works consistently for more items, more environments, and more use cases. Performance matters, and with Gen2X, it truly works both ways.